Oat-Zempic is a really popular weight loss shake being touted on TikTok, but I believe you can make a more effective Oat-Zempic weight loss drink. And I want to show you the proof for it using some ingredients that are in your kitchen right now. So if you've not heard of this trend, Oat-Zempic is essentially an oatmeal drink. It's made by mixing a half a cup of oatmeal along with a half a lime, blending it up with a cup of water and drinking it. Now the name Oat-Zempic is an obvious reference to Ozempic, the medication that is touted for diabetes, but a lot of people are using it for weight loss. And the way in which Ozempic, the drug, works is by stimulating a hormone called GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide 1. As I pointed out in my previous video on Oat-Zempic, I'm not convinced the lime is necessary for the effectiveness of the Oat-Zempic weight loss drink, but there are some things that I think you could substitute in its place. And one of those things is spinach. And the reason for this is that spinach contains compounds called thalcaloids. Thalcaloids are involved in the photosynthesis process. However, there is a lot of very interesting research suggesting that thalcaloids can suppress appetite and help people lose weight. In this study, 38 women who were overweight were given either a placebo or 5 grams of green thalcaloids derived from baby spinach, and they watched what happened after they gave these women a meal. And the outcome showed that green spinach thalcaloids not only raised GLP-1 levels, but more importantly, the women lost more weight than those women who did not get green spinach thalcaloids. And as an added bonus, spinach thalcaloids also raised insulin and lowered blood sugar too. There's also this study where the title pretty much says it all. Women consuming just 5 grams of spinach extract thalcaloids were less hungry, felt more full, and had fewer cravings for both salty foods and sweets. Next up is this paper where spinach thalcaloids increased levels of cholecystokinin, CCK, a hormone that's not only critical for fat and protein digestion, but it also aids in appetite suppression. Additionally, spinach thalcaloids were also shown to lower ghrelin and raise leptin, 2 other hormones that also play a role in appetite. And that brings us to this review of 8 human clinical trials where it was concluded that meals containing green food thalcaloids can decrease appetite and probably also reduce how much we eat as well. Now, I'm suggesting thalcaloids from spinach because it tends to have more thalcaloids than other green foods, although kale is also a good choice if you like. Now, something else you might want to add to your Oat-Zempic drink to make it more effective is protein. Now, while many people say we eat too much protein as it is, that's not necessarily true because studies do show that after the age of 71, some older adults may actually not get enough protein. However, I'm bringing protein up because it also appears to stimulate GLP-1. Interestingly, the effect of whey protein on GLP-1 and appetite suppression may be related to these 8 different amino acids, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are better known as the branched chain amino acids. And while that is interesting, I do believe that using whey protein itself would be superior to supplementing with individual amino acids. Next up is this paper where whey protein was shown to stimulate GLP-1 levels as well as lower blood sugar after eating, and it also slowed down gastric emptying too. And while GLP-1 levels did go up in this paper, the researchers did point out that the rise in GLP-1 was not deemed to be clinically significant. However, in this next paper, whey protein was determined to raise GLP-1 levels more than either casein or soy protein. Now, all that said, I will push back and say that I don't believe any of this is going to make the Oat-Zempic drink as effective as Ozempic, the drug. And I also don't think the Oat-Zempic drink is going to lead to 40 pounds of weight loss in just 2 months. And I also don't think that's safe either. However, if you're using the standard formula of the Oat-Zempic drink and you're not seeing the results you want and you're interested in trying to raise GLP-1 levels naturally, then consider adding some spinach and some whey protein to it.